So, what exactly does the job entails? And just dancing, right? Not more than that, just dancing. So you say day after tomorrow? Dance? I can't even dance to that, but I need the money. I need the job. Hope I don't continue this, you know, I hope I 20 grand. I hope them people are serious because we can't afford this right now. So why am I tell you what I'm going to do with the money? I just want the money to borrow more and do something. As soon as I get the first money, I pay back. As soon as I get paid, I just get back your money.
But my friend still can't cook where food tastes good, me not lie.
After you did just hack it down so, I never woke up on a maga girl can name so in my life.
Girl, if I did college in 4 years, me at home, get you hungry, but I'm feeling.
That don't mean you have to eat for now.
Yeah, girl, thank you, my friend. The food tastes nice. God know, curry goat, oh God. Pepper just like what I like it.
Girl, make a good haul tonight.
If you tell you, come like a living room.
Man, tips from everywhere.
If you tell you why the money nice when I like.
Apple, you might tell when I tell me say you can't dance.
Girl, if you tell you, say, YouTube help me and tell my friend. Want to practice, me practice in my room by myself. Girl, I'll not ease me, I dance, I drop on the ground and chip up.
If I laugh at them.
Me say,
What you say?
yes. All that heals me, I practice for dance.
Look pa you broken back.
Yes, my friend.
Remember the look of one body.
Girl, it's all that money again. Tell you.
But you shook.
Yes, all that money again, my friend.
So but you don't money no.
No, my friend, the money again, that's all.
Boy, I'm proud of you, my girl.
Enough about that, girl. Serious business to go talking about. That's it, business to do.
What could that?
So, not gonna no lie, the money nice with Lydia nice, and I want more. You don't want to make more money?
Well, what you mean? We our biggest haul make since we start.
What? Girl, I want to make more. I want to get one car, one house. I want some nice to stay plus, girl. My home landlord want a heap of money.
But I remember say I always have a place to stay here. And how we ever make more?
Well, I have the idea, yeah. Trying to even know what a club there. People are make more money than you think of the club. That's what we make tonight, and I'm nothing that. Yes, let me tell you, you know. It's that, you see, a girl named Nikki, is she are going around room. If we not come up with one heap of money, you think 20 grand, nothing we make? She are come up with stacks of money, girl. She not even know. I see you girl come out there and I said, no man, I want in the something right. So they make more money than we make. 20 grand, we make nothing. It is nothing.
So my girl, they can't do that. She can't come up with this.
I think they can sell.
Sell?
Yeah, sell.
Sell what?
Girl, I eat that I must front them myself. What our else?
Front?
Yes.
So Apple, you want to sell front?
Yes, me was sell front. Burn with that.
For your front?
Stop up from me sell.
Apple.
Yeah, what is it? Girl, the friend is too dramatic. Look at me, you think your friend really sell front, really?
My friend, I'm not telling no lie.
Okay, man, me the girl here, but girl, me have a plan. We have plan to get the same money them I get, but we not go sell front.
So what we are gonna do?
No worry yourself, girl. I have a plan. You know my man Sly?
Sly?
Yes, Sly. I want him.
No, so the boy will pick my pocket and my some name.
No, I couldn't see my man Sly. No, so the friends man they are talking about.
So, what you say? Man? As in, you have somebody dead?
Oh yeah, if you got me tell us still say yeah. See me at ask Sly, me and him involved.
So after last time I say I never did virgin.
So Amber, what should I do? Stay virgin forever?
Well, I can't really say they just lose their virginity to that the boy there.
What do you mean that the boy did?
I know the boy picked my pocket.
When him pick a pocket, me say I do him. If him did pick for your pocket, you wouldn't know about it.
Whatever.
Anyway, girl, I never me talk about that. Me talk about how we can make more money that me want to talk about. So, me want to tell you a plan. You're in or you're out.
How if you know you're not tell me it?
Me go tell you. Come somewhere now. Me tell you. Come on, buddy, for you, we are chat say. Alright, the same guy me tell about Sly. Alright, so you have a room where you tell them I'm going to tell about Nicky. When you come out, you come out with stocks and money. Because you got 20 grand we make, as I tell you, and I know money that I want to make what they want to make. So Sly go help me. In my perfect presently with the plan.
So, back to the point, you have a sell front?
No girl, that's the whole point of it. Me now go sell front, your friend now go sell no front. But what can happen is I go now with the man them act like I go to sit with them and Sly go come in come take their money. That I want to do.
So you want to ride on that bed?
How you didn't know exactly?
Girl, a joke me did I make. Jesus.
Something that him go do?
Yeah, idiot.
No, that him go do.
How you think that go work?
We go in there with them, we go seduce them. Then look a bit of dance and all of that. Then you just go come in after. Then go take a 10 pants. Yeah, they take a 10 pants. I expect money 6 from them.
Apple. That no make no sense.
Why not make no sense?
Apple, first of all, man, when it comes down to their money, you have to take your man money before he get front, and he come in there plan fee front fee money. Apple, you don't understand how dangerous that is.
Me know me I do.
Obviously, you don't know what you do. Think about it, Apple. If a woman them would done a sell the front to the man, them man a do them all kind of something, them a freak them up. You feel say you are exception? Then freak you up worse. You don't see how I go on? You we dead. Jesus Christ, them want to kill you. Apple, please. Tell me say you're not go in at this. Apple, please.
I'm being too dramatic. The fan one so. My body not kill me. Me and Sly have it planned out already and it go work.
That boy Sly. Apple, please. None of this. It's not worth it.
Amber, me can't believe say me a friend. I mean I tell you something go benefit the two of you are going so.
Because me a real friend. Me don't want to see you hurt.
You don't want to make money, you don't want to make your friend for have money and drive big vehicle and live in a big house. You don't want that too for yourself, you don't want to drive. What you mean?
Not fee cost our life.
Nothing happen to it, it'll go work. You know, we don't talk about this video. We don't talk to you right now. You know, listen to what me say.
Hi guys, I am Alisa aka Pinky. Like, subscribe and share to a friend, you don't know. Movie so out and thing, active. Guys, follow my Instagram page as I am Pinky, that pinks AIIAM that PINKS. Don't know. Pinky.